Hey guys, what is up? Adam Madden back with a really quick video. Hopefully this won't take very long and I can quickly explain what I'm wanting to speak to you today about and tell you about and give you a little bit of a tutorial. I don't want to get real deep into tutorial. Sorry about the noise levels, guys. I'm in a hotel tonight. As most of you know, I have another business besides my online business that requires me to travel, and it's an underground construction company. So what we do is we install fiber optic cables underground for companies like Verizon and AT&T, and tonight I'm in a hotel, so please excuse everything. What I want to give you the video and publish it about tonight is just real quickly. It's a strategy that is insane. I'm always talking about opportunities and how 2020 is different, and how this year and this era that we're in is just so much different than any other time. You can earn so much money as a beginner, somebody that's broke, somebody that likes this or that, whatever it may be, guys. You can literally build a complete business model and earn and generate money online around any passion, no matter what your passion is. And this strategy is even more simple than any of my other strategies I've ever spoke about. And the reason I shot this video, I just got off the phone, a video call with one of my freelancers that work in the digital agency, and we were just going over how simple it is for people to literally take an online business, a passion, or whatever, maybe a freelance gig, as in his case, and just scale it to no end, and literally to no end. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a platform like Shopify. It's going to be for, instead of drop shipping, which many of y'all are familiar with, it's drop servicing. So we're going to resell services online with no skill. You do have to have zero skill. All you have to do is drive traffic. All of this can be outsourced. From generating the leads to taking care of the leads can all be outsourced. And it's never been more simple for us. They gave us the platform, they gave us the tools. It doesn't take a lot of tools like a lot of the other strategies. You gotta have a lot of tools and this and that and softwares, and you don't have to have none of that. You do have to have a way to drive leads. Now you can do this in any way, but no matter what business you go with, you've got to have leads, you've got to have traffic, you've got to have visitors. You have to be able to generate traffic, and you can do that with SEO. You can do that with paid versions like PPC ads and banner ads. But what we're going to use a platform, and I want to introduce you to this platform. I hope that that you've had a chance to mess with this platform. If you haven't, you have to go check this out. It's unreal. Selfie is really taken off, and what it is, it's the Shopify for drop servicing. A lot of people pronounce it, it's about 50-50 Selfie and Sellfy, so it's SELLYFY. So look under this video in the description. There's going to be a link. It's going to take you directly to the promo page, straight to the page that's going to give you a huge discount. You're not going to have a credit card to set up a free account. Get started, browse around, look at the platform, look how simple it is to literally create an online store to sell these services that you're going to hire from Fiverr. These freelancers are stupid cheap, guys, super skilled. Now remember, they're all on the platform Fiverr selling these services, a lot of times $5 and $10, just to build a portfolio. They're building amazing work over there, and there's freelancers for absolutely any service or skill that you could ever want or need, and you can resell these skills and use these freelancers. They're happy to work for you, guys. They're earning a great living where they're at, and you're not ripping anybody off. You're simply going to make these sales, sell these online services, these freelancers. You're going to outsource it to the freelancers. They're going to complete the work. Once they complete the work, they're going to deliver that to you. You're going to go over it. I'll always end up editing something, and it doesn't have to be, but it's just the way I am. I've got to do something, and I always end up changing something, but that's just me. You do not even have to do that. 99% of the time, I could literally deliver what they deliver to me. Now, why is this awesome for you? For if you have zero skills, if you have a small budget, because everything that I'm telling you in this video takes zero money. I'm not even going to ask you for a credit card. You're going to check out the link in the description, go to Stelfy. You're going to set up a store and resell these services. Then you're going to keep contact, build relationships with these freelancers. They love to chat, guys. Send them a message. I'm on Fiverr. That's how our digital agency got started. That's how I put all this together. And now my digital agency is 100% outsourced and using other freelancers from around the world. And a lot of my services I'm able to mark up 150 to 200% and still be way below, a lot of times 200% below market value. So as you can tell, it's super lucrative. Send traffic, test it out, check out the link in the description. I appreciate you checking out the video. There's tons of tutorials on YouTube, how to create a professional store, whatever, on Stelfy, how to find freelancers, and I make a lot of these videos too. A lot of those can be found right here on my channel. And if you like this type of videos, if you like this type of content, please, by all means, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, guys, peace out.